else do you see?
Look at her.
She's beautiful. What are you reading?
Look at her.
Lily, do you know what you're reading? Can you say Italian Vogue?
Italian Vogue.
Gorgeous, right? Do you see any more fabulous shoes? What's that girl wearing?
A shoe.
Do you love the shoes the best?
Look at her. Look at her. Nobody here.
There's nobody on that page.
Look at them.
Wow. It's a really big magazine.
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot of pages.
Look at her. The end.
Lily, can you read Italian? No, you just like the pictures? Wow. That's a big magazine.
We can rip it.
Yeah.
We read.
I know.
We read.
Whoa. Careful. Bye. See you later.
What happened? The train gets it for Amigo. Need to get it.
Are you going to be a model?
Whoa!
I guess not.
I guess not.
I guess not.